I will tase you. Get on the ground.
Don't tase me.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I get on the ground. I get on the ground.
One in custody, the other one still running eastbound from this 1020. Yep, face down. Face down.
Two women from Fort Lauderdale have been linked to a string of retail thefts after officers discovered $1,500 worth of stolen liquor in their vehicle, according to police. The incident unfolded on May 31st around 6:45 p.m. when officers attempted a traffic stop near North Atlantic and Esther Drive. Instead of complying, the driver fled and pulled into a dead-end street. Both women then abandoned the car and ran on foot, but were located and taken into custody shortly after. A search of the vehicle uncovered $1,500 worth of alcohol, believed to have been stolen from a Winn-Dixie. Investigators also found hundreds of other items reported stolen from multiple cities.
Actually, 1022. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, can you stay in the car for me?
43.
Yes,
Can you make
please.
1025 at Winn-Dixie?
I believe I'm 1012. Ma'am, do you have your driver's license?
She have hers.
Yep, that's what I was talking to. Stop! Stop! They're fleeing, they're fleeing.
We got nothing. It's all right.
The 33.
Okay. Not enough for a pursuit.
Vehicle flames on the signal 33.
All right.
The police followed the suspects to a dead end near North Atlantic and Esther Drive, where the suspects parked on a dead-end street. Police officers continued to chase the two suspects on foot.
Get on the ground.
Right there.
43 conviction and foot pursuit behind the residence. I will tase you. Get on the ground.
Don't tase me.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I get on the ground. I get on the ground.
One in custody, the other one still running eastbound from this 1020. Yep, face down. Face down. Your hands behind, roll on your face and put your hands behind your back.
Not but two bottles. Sorry, not done. Sorry, not done.
We're on the west side.
All right, get my purse.
Correction, we're on the south side of the street and they're running eastbound. Shut up. You're not in charge.
I know.
Okay, then
My purse.
walk.
Get my.
You want to make this worse? We can make this worse.
Calm down.
Yeah, you're the one that just fled from
Calm down,
cops.
because I'm not even resisting.
You were when I tried pulling
Thank you, officer.
Yep.
Get the purse idea.
We'll get all that here in a second.
Okay.
10-4, it was the last house on the dead end. They got out and ran eastbound from that house's backyards.
Woo. Wait. Hold on. 1 second. My feet bleeding and all that.
Okay, well, then don't run from the police.
I was never running from you, officer. I was never the driver.
What? It doesn't matter. You got out and ran from the vehicle.
Not at all.
You did. I told you to stop and you kept running through the backyard.
How?
How?
I never
With your feet.
I never made contact with you.
Only when I aimed
There's
my
everything-
taser at you and told you to stop did you stop.
There's everything on the camera.
Yep. Stand right here.
I'm gonna say,
Stand right here.
I'm not resisting, y'all. I'm good.
You already did.
But let me pee right quick.
All right, we're gonna walk around the other side and you can sit down.
Hold on. I don't even want to get in the car right now. But let me pee right quick.
All right.
Hold on. Let me catch my breath.
Stop.
Catch yours too.
Stand right there.
I'm standing.
No, you're not. You're turning. Stop.
I'm not turning. I'm not resisting. My hands is up. The body camera's right there.
She with you?
Oh, no, that's them people.
Get in the back seat.
I'm gonna get in the back seat.
You're gonna get in now. We're not playing this game, but you're gonna do what? Get in.
Give me a second. I'm getting in. I'm not resisting you. I'm not.
Get in the back seat.
I'm getting in. But I'm saying I have to. I can't breathe. Let me catch my breath a little bit.
Get in. You can catch your breath while sitting down. Put your foot in.
I'm talking to you, bro.
Put your foot in. 3, 2.
Who else was with you? Anybody else running back there? We need to know because you run through people's.
Let me talk to them real quick. Did you see any other than them two? Just those two?
Just their car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna get it the hell out of here.
Yeah, they fled from us in the vehicle after committing retail theft.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you for going after him and
Yes,
doing your job.
thank
That's what we're here for.
Uncle Pete.
I'm like, where's
Tell Maddie that's my man.
Thank
We're gonna have both suspects in custody, unless 43 to 42. Did you see more than two people in the car?
Where's the vehicle? I don't know if there's any.
It's in the driveway.
Okay. That's it? I don't know that high. What's in the car? Where's the other? The other one's in his car.
One's in my car, one's in.
Okay.
And then she's the second one. She's the one that kept taking off running.
Okay.
She's the one.
The other one's in the other car?
Yeah.
Just put in your car.
My other back seat side's full. That's why I'm waiting for another martini to come.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got another
43 to 42.
Walk over towards his car.
Just be
Here's 76.
51 to the where my patrol vehicle is at. Yeah, that's down 4. It's going to be 488 Indian Mountain Court. Correct, Indian Creek.
Good job.
Down 4, 43, going to be 1098, 1033.
1066, 1033, 1066,
Our citizens are.
What else?
Yeah, he told me. He's like, tell them good. He's like, tell them that you did a good job out there. I was like, yeah. They peeked back around the fence when I pulled up on the car, and I was clearing the car.
Yeah.
And then they peeked around the fence, and I was like, oh shit.
There you go.
And then he's like, yeah, that's them. The owner was like, yeah, they just ran into my backyard.
Okay. I saw because I know you said.
But one of them started running backyards this way.
You said Indian Trail, and I'm like, I know it's the dead end back here. And then I saw your car.
Well, when you said that, I went down Oak, because you said they went down Oak, and then someone's like, that car just booked it down here, waving it down.
Your key. Actually, go get one there. Alright. Listen, ma'am, I'm gonna take one of these handcuffs off so I can get these purse locked. Okay? You don't want to go through all that.
Yeah, you see, I came out with my hands up. I
wasn't here for that, alright? Just do me a favor. Put this hand on the car, okay? Your left hand, alright? Yeah, as soon as I get it out of here.
What?
21 needs somebody for seated battery.
Then take them on what you have, like every other officer. I'll just have a display for taser and spray. She won't get my back stand. I said 3, 2, 1. We're gonna play this game. I'll just spray you. Let me grab her purse and keys out of the backyard. Their backyard.
Get it. Get it.
He's a defense attorney.
You got two clients. There's a bunch of stuff back here.
Yeah.
Probably get a warrant. Let's see if.
Well, this is the second time they've hit it now.
Is it really?
They hit it. They hit it yesterday.
Oh, they did.
Wow.
Yeah, last night they hit Winn-Dixie and then they hit it again.
And what else? Because there's a bunch of stuff back here.
I don't know. Nothing else from our jurisdiction that's been reported. Did you guys see? Did one of them grab the purse and keys or?
The only thing I saw were 2 girls running back there, and I'm like, who the heck?
Okay, because when I took her down, she dropped her purse and keys on the ground, but they're not there now. I think this girl might have gone back. It's right there on the trunk. Yeah. She went back and got it.
Yeah, the other one, because she was hiding. When they got the one girl,
She ran around to his backyard. Yeah.
The police officers searched the trunk and back seat of the suspect's vehicle, finding over $1,500 worth of stolen liquor.
All right. Ready to do it?
Let's do it. Everything goes in its own bag?
We're not even going to worry about putting them in a bag right now because we're gonna be recording this. I mean, because it's going to be a waste of bags, so we're going to have to pull them out.
Okay.
And then re-photo it.
Do we have to bag it before we put it in the lockers?
Yeah, I'll give them at least a little bit of that. We'll try to.
All right, Miss, could you step out for me?
Oh, I was just about to ask if you could turn the AC back on. That's all that.
We're gonna walk over here, okay? We're gonna walk to the front of my car. All right. So, I'm going to read you Miranda again, all right? You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statements or answer any questions. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to the lawyer now at any time during this interview. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you without cost to you. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
I have the right to remain silent, right?
Yeah, but do you understand the rights I've explained to you?
That I have the right to remain silent.
That's one of them, yeah?
I understand that.
Okay. With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now? Nope. Okay. Come on over. All right, ma'am. I'm going to read you something, okay?
Huh?
I'm going to read you your Miranda rights again, all right?
No problem.
Do you want to sit there or you want to stand?
43. Okay, 2.
All right, so you have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statements or answer any questions. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to the lawyer now at any time during this interview. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you without cost to you. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to the lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Okay. With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, then we're going to walk around the car and we're going to go to my car.
I was in a vehicle that
Okay. Well,
left.
hang on. Do you want to talk to me or no?
Not really. All I'm saying is I was in a vehicle that left. I had no control over what was going on. And I'm willing to cooperate until we do whatever we have to do.
Okay. Well, this is what we have to do. I'm trying to get down to it. But if you don't want to talk to me, I'm not going to ask you questions.
I'm talking to you.
Okay. So do you want to talk to me?
I'm talking to you now.
Okay. But I need a yes or no. You gotta be very clear.
I'm talking to you.
Okay. So yes or no?
I am talking to you right now.
Okay. Because if you don't give me a yes or no, I have to assume it's no because I'm not going to violate your rights.
No, I'm talking to you right now.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to go sit in my car. This one right here.
Put your windows down or something. You trying to kill me in this car?
I'll be okay.
I'm suffocating. No, I won't. I'm claustrophobic. It's so.
The suspect that drove is charged with fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, driving with a revoked license, resisting an officer without violence. The second suspect, which was a passenger, was charged with resisting an officer without violence.